Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XB30 Wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not syncing or is not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if it keeps disconnecting, anything where it's not working, a reinitialization of the speaker can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to repair and set everything up again because all that will be wiped off and the pairing history will be deleted off of your speaker. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to get a fresh start with this speaker, you're pairing it with a new device and you just want it like it's coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that real simply. Now for this to work, the speaker needs to be turned on. So you want to go ahead and turn your speaker on, and then we're going to press and hold the volume down button. And then while pressing and holding the volume down button, we're going to come over and press and hold the power pairing button. And just press and hold both of those buttons for at least 5 seconds until the speaker powers off. Once it powers off, that means the reset is complete. You can let go of both buttons. You can just come in and turn your speaker on and set it up like a new speaker. Super thanks for watching.